live real quick. I think we're chilling, to be honest. Let's see. We're live. I think we're live. Hold on. Yep, looks like it. Okay, cool. Let's see this. Yeah, we up. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's go into a little bit of a chart breakdown finally. So let's see. We up. It does not say I'm live. There you go. Fire. Okay, we're chilling. Never mind. Alright, let's go do this. Okay. So, full analysis breakdown. Let's go. So, yesterday, if you are one of my students, I kind of taught you guys that I wanted to see how we reacted off that relevant low. So, with this relevant low that we had here, it was a sweep. So, we had a big wick come off of it, which means we reacted to that. And I think we do have an SMT here. Let's see. We took that out. Let's go to daily. Okay. So we took this low out. Yep, this low taken out, and then not this low. Okay, so don't move in the kind of correlation. We didn't sweep that low, swept this one, and then moved up. So we're putting our equilibrium right here for the invalidation. Never mind. I'm gonna do the whole body just because we're pretty high above the range, and because the body is a little bit bigger than the wick. It's just a good reaction. So we have previous day highs right here. And then we also have a relevant swing right here. And it just looks like we are just pushing up here. So let's just do this, 30 bars. Okay, it's another relevant swing. So we have previous day highs, closest swing, up to failure swing. So now we're gonna go down to the 7 hour. Let's go to this one. Oh yeah, that looks pretty bullish. So let's go back. 15 minute. Yeah, we did not get a London reversal though, which is kind of okay, but yeah, it's fine. We don't really need it. We kind of just are having good expansions. But looking at it right now, it just looks a little off. Today, Thursday, we had unemployment claims. I don't think that was too volatile of news. 530 candle, this one. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, so our Asian session rests all the way down here with these lows. And then we have London session. It puts that low, which is the invalidation point. But only these are the ones that are relevant swings. So, looks like we're breaking through that. Okay. When is market gonna open, man? This shit looks crazy. Let's get these ones out of here. So market isn't even open yet, and ever since 2, we've just been pumping. We haven't even come back to a low yet. Trend sweep, come all the way up. Yeah, we have a lot of displacement in the pre-market. I'm not sure what we're gonna see, but if I were to guess anything, it would probably be a bullish sentiment. But I need something to happen first. We gotta fix to some sort of 15-minute PD rate, just because it would make no sense for us to just keep pumping. Unless that's just what we want to do. I mean, shit. I mean, I won't trade, but if that's what we want to do, then, you know. So, right now, kind of go over again. On the daily, I wanted to see how we reacted off this relevant low, which is up here. So we swept it, wicked into it, and then closed above it instead of below it or through it. And now we're seeing bullish reaction, so obviously this is bullish. We already hit previous day highs over there, and then now I'm looking to target that relevant swing along as well as this relevant swing over here. So Monday came down, Tuesday came down, Wednesday came down, Thursday we're coming up. Friday we can anticipate probably a bullish move too, depending on how this closes on these relevant swings. But yeah, as of right now, I just really want to see a retracement once market opens to some sort of 15-minute PD array. Like, this is our closest one. We also have this low right here. So both of those are aligned, so I would like for those to get hit first, or maybe something lower before I think about getting into an entry model, because if we're just all the way in premiums, all the way this high above range with no retracement, it's just less probable the model will work out with such an expansion already. So yeah, this kind of like Asian session and London session have been just distribution, man. Damn, I had yesterday morning opening high, closed above it. Is that all from yesterday? Right there's yesterday. Closed above that too. Now we're in Tuesday. Just closed above Tuesday's highs. Yep, looks like we're coming all the way to Monday, man. Okay. Market opens right here. Let's see how we're moving. Let's dip down lower. Come on now, come on now. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Market open, sell off. Just go sweep whatever liquidity you need to sweep. That would be the best. What I really want to see is these next 5 or 10 minutes to be some sort of motion down. It could be a trending down, or it could just be big candles going down. I need to see this to get swept, and if we want to push below that, I'm totally okay with that too. Looks like it's about to get hits. I'm okay with maybe, let's do like a low 5-minute one too. This is kind of like our unmitigated Fair gap. Hasn't been touched. And then this is like a relevant low too. So yeah, as long as we get that sweep into here. Did we get an SMT? Hold on. Definitely not. Get that Ferrari up right there. In respects to the bullish continuation that we're looking at right now, I don't think we'll dip down. I think we got enough pressure to go up. I'm pretty bullish on the week, and I think we keep just teeter-tattering around these highs. It's just so weird what we're doing every time we enter this range. Like this range specifically is just nuts. That high still hasn't been taken out. I've been targeting that shit since November, bro. Like, what are we doing? Am I not even on MNQ, bro? Man. This shit didn't even mark, bro. Imagine I got it for 5 micros and it was actually 5 minis, bro. I'm so glad I caught that shit. We've been dead right now, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Imagine I got it for 5 micros and it was actually 5 minis, so glad I caught that shit. Alright, let's see what's popping. Okay, we get kind of that little sweep right there. No Ferrari gap tap in, just inversing all the way down. I fucks with it. Let's go. Let's do it. Alright. So this is a lot of displacement within pre-market, but opening we don't really have much movement. I mean, this I would like to come lower and close lower. Cause I mean I want to be lower within the entire range. So within this entire like 15-minute Ferrari, or not Ferrari yet, but this 15-minute leg, from this low, from all the expansion to that high, I want to see us tap into equilibrium somewhere, which is looks like what we're doing, and why we're drawing lower. Let's see, targets get hit, bang. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna hop on MAQ real quick. This, so 15-minute. Mark out this, and then this, and then we need our daily swings. Bang, bang, invalidation point, bang, 3-minute, bang. Yes, this is exactly what I want to see off market open. So we're dipping down right now, and we're not doing any crazy dip down. Like, it's not nothing like some fast ass drop, but it's consistent. It's nice. It's like 635. We're seeing some motion to the downside. This is perfect. Beautiful. So yeah, that's all I wanted to see. And now that we have that, now I can start looking for. This is the beginning of a structure for a entry for my model. So I'm kind of like trading. I'm trading the continuation on time frame, but a reversal on the lower time frame. So right now I want to see us come lower. So let me just put my marker out real quick, since some of you guys may not know what I'm talking about. Do I have my? There you go. Alright. So basically what I want to see here is kind of just like lower movement. And then once we get a kind of like break of a range right here where we form like a good leg, I want to retrace into it to come lower to create that retracement leg. And then that close above it, bang. That's fire. I'm looking for that close right there. That's my entry. After the retracement, after the sweep, after that change. So it could even be like this too. I mean, this is most optimal to get a good fill. But yeah, that's what I like to do. But that's what I'm looking for. Just a downward movement first before we go up. And this is good enough for me. We tap into a 15-minute Ferrari gap. I don't care if we inverse it or not, just because it's off open and this is a pretty volatile candle, or the opening candle. So the lower time frames will tell us the rest of the story other than just the close. But right now, let's chill. And I'm gonna wait for a bullish candle up so that we can show some sort of resistance. It shows me a slowdown of a trend. And we'll get that. Now we're just chilling. Nothing more to do, just observe the market. That's all we do, chat. I mean, ASAP Rocky dropped. Y'all want to see that? I think he's dropping tonight. Low key, he is dropping tonight though. Damn, I can't even open a YouTube, bro. It ain't gonna let me open YouTube. It's too much for the damn streaming thing. Not even let me go back. Hold on, bro. No way. My shit's getting fucked, bro. Bro, everything glitched out on me. No way, bro. That's crazy, you know. Straight stole my internet, bro. Stole that shit. Alright, there we go, back. This is fire. We created SMT. Not yet, though. Maybe. Hold on. Oh, for showsies. We for showsy did. That 15, yeah, for sure. Now we're starting to see it move up. That's good. That's good. That's what I want to see. 3 minute, no for rag. Yep, 5 minute there is. I want it to be a slow and steady move, bro. Oh. If we close too aggressively above it, I probably don't want to take that. Just because we're still in premiums. And those aggressive moves are likely to indicate kind of a continuation lower before higher, not a reversal. Just for what I see right now. I ain't gonna lie, it'd be cold as shit out here, bro. Oh. Alright, that's a little bit too aggressive to the downside. I need this to be a bullish candle on the 5 minute. Well, I guess necessarily I don't need it to be. We can come lower if we want, but yeah, probably just sweep this low, hold that SMT, and then move up higher. I'm ready to get the next 15-minute candle. There we go. Get that sweep. React. There we go. Alright, 15-minute candle opening up in 2 minutes. We have a 15-minute candle correlated with a 5 minute and a 3 minute. So whenever we see like alignments like that, where they all close at the same time, that's where we're going to see a lot of volatility open up on that next one. So it's probably going to be 6:45. That one will probably be a pretty good one to look at. A lot of time frames are correlated with that. So it looks like this is gonna close bullish exactly like I want. So once we close bullish, I kind of want to see another 5-minute candle kind of come down, just to get a kind of bearish sentiment, just to create that kind of leg. All right, now as long as we don't close below here, my trade idea is not invalid, and it will still be valid. All right, it looks like we're about to close above that 5-minute. Yeah, definitely not gonna be too hasty on that. It's BPR we just tapped into. We'll probably see a reaction from that once that 45-minute opens. And I kind of just want us to stay below here. Just below those highs, just to create, just so that we have still a target, so we don't need to come lower first. So I don't want to hit these right now. I kind of want to see that down movement first. I don't want to see us build an SMT off of that. I want to see us close all the way through it. So this one looks like we're going to close. We get an inverse right there. That would be a good inverse if you guys want to take that, but I don't take inverses as my strategy. Maybe a good point right here. Break even level right here. Targeting that 2 to 1 from that low of the SMT. Bang, break even. If you get in that, that'd be fire. Okay, we did see a sweep, we're seeing the SMT. I really want that bullish SMT to hold rather than this bearish one. I just want to take this as kind of like a sweep, and then just want to see bullish action. I don't want to see us close below this right here on that 3-minute. So I'll get these out the way. Already tapped into that. And that's why I don't take inverses as my entry. Just gonna wait for that 650 candle. And then we can see a 651 close on the 3-minute, which will be in like 5 minutes. So we still gotta wait 5 minutes to even think about getting into anything. So let's see what's up. Oh, body still hurts, man. We're still good though. We're still good. Okay. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Some friction on the ES. And then NQ still trying to input that low. Beautiful. Nice. Not yet, bro. So yeah, this candle closes will basically determine what I do. But yeah, I'll probably come lower first. Wait for this to close. Probably close around here. Already inverse this, so chill. I don't want to close below that. That would kind of be an invalidation of my idea. This is also kind of like a good entry if our 3-minute close above that too. Probably will. Okay, chill out, bro. Nah, yeah, let's come sweep these lows over here, chat. Let's get some sort of gas in the wheel, bro. There you go. Beautiful. Now we have reason to move up. 5-minute level, I'm gonna mark it out now, just because that's pretty valid. It's about to close. This is my new level. 3-minute opens, or it's gonna close in 60 seconds. So boom, we get that 5-minute close. Now I want to see this come up. And if we close lower, that'll be scary. Well, not really, but I do want to see this go higher to these relevant highs. I don't want to see us come lower first or yet. Ooh, we gotta stay above this range too. That's a 4-hour for I get another confluence to help out. Uh-oh. Alright. Close below it. If it closes below it, I just wait. I don't really do anything. I'm not entering off that because my invalidation has not been hit yet. So the SMT is now invalid. We're now showing bearish confluence. So if we want to make a retracement on the hourly, that would be right here. I'm okay with coming lower. It's not really affecting me too much. Just because we are already pretty high. And I'm okay that we have a come down for this one and then a continuation on the 7 a.m. for the overall trend of what we want to see. So, I mean, if we could have gotten an early entry before 7, that's chill. But if not, we could wait till after 7 when it's more probable for a reversal. But yeah, this is chill. I don't mind. I don't think we'll come all the way down. Or shit, who knows? But yeah, probably targeting that hourly next. We also have another hourly right here. And then we have a fair value gap, a low aligned with equilibrium. That's probably our like really good target. I don't think we'll hit that before 652, and if we do, then I probably won't trade because that's a little too much to just go off of. We have too much strength going downwards within these last 7 minutes of the market, so, or last 7 minutes of the 6 a.m. candle. Alright, the 5-minute candle looks like it does not want to go down. Alright, let's see. Big wick. Let's see that close. Nice. Let's see that close above here now. I think we got that inverse waiting for it. This would be very probable if we have an inverse and SMT. And we have a sweep. So we have a sweep, internal sweep, beautiful. Inverse for value gap, beautiful. We're gonna close above a 5-minute range for a CISD. That would be insane. It's looking like exactly what we're doing right now. But this next candle opens at 57, so we'll wait for that. No news. Nope, just unemployment claims at 5:30. And we're just waiting for that close above, which would be hella dope. This is a really good move right here. I do want that close above here though, before I do anything. But yeah. Let's see. We do kind of have a weekly kind of profile going on, where it's kind of like a Thursday counter to the upside instead of the downside, so that can be something. And then also we have a daily profile, Asian session, no London reversal, so nothing there. But this is looking like an A minus setup. I'm not gonna lie. That's looking okay. Nah, this is like an A. I'll probably, nah, I'd give it A minus just because we're pretty high in distribution. But I am anticipating continuation until we hit those relevant highs. But I know we kind of fall off around this range, so I don't know if we'll do that again, because this is about to be our third time coming up. So that's 1, 2, 3, yeah. This next time we come up probably will be the one for us. So boom, inverse at 57. Now we gotta wait for that 7 a.m. candle. What are we gonna do? That's why I don't go off inverses, by the way. Very, very, very nuanced, as you see. Maybe we are higher within the range, but still. This is kind of like the model. Inverse for value gap. For value gap in the leg, close above. Here, low. 1 to highs or 1 to 1. That can be break even level. Target relevant swings. What I'm looking for is a little bit of a close higher. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of chopping a little bit. Maybe we do gotta wait for that 7 a.m. to pull up. Alright, let's see. 7 a.m. Open low. Let's get an open low high close. Fire. Oh, we also have that 5-minute level right here. I do still want to see a close above that, but if we close above this one, I can take a trade. Yeah, if we close above this one, I'll probably answer for 5. If not, I'll probably do 3. Then I'll do a 5-minute close if we close above that for 5 micros. Yeah, we got that on 7 a.m. Open, high. Yep. Open, high, low, close. Yeah, hella bullish confluence. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No entry yet. We have not closed above anything. We're kind of just creating a downtrend, like a little bit of a trend line liquidity. I'll kind of give you guys like my lifetime thoughts and emotions. I'm really tired. I'm bored. I would rather be sleeping right now than doing this. Just because I'm like so tired. I woke up hella early. But yeah, right now this is boring. I just wish we could tap into something, get an entry, or just go to my invalidation and do that. But we're way above invalidation, so we still have a chance of coming up. But we also have a chance of coming down too because of our hourly for fire gap that we could tap into. So I think that's probably why we're chopping up. So yeah, it'd make me feel better if we did come down first. But since we already hit my 15-minute opening targets, I'm already good to go if it does work out, because sometimes this just happens and then we boost up. But I'm just waiting for that close to confirm that kind of expansion. Oh. I'm gonna get more comfortable, bro. Oh, damn. Whole lot of nothing. Oh shit, fire. Okay. What you mean? Like, are you trying to figure out how to get this screen? Because I'm not on TradingView and I'm on TopStep X, so this is the fund account I'm on. And these are the charts I have. So it's like an integrated TradingView software. It's not really like it's not really TradingView. Like this is TradingView right here. Let me open it up. So this is TradingView that I have open right now. So this is the same software that TopStep X uses, but when you're on a combine, you have to select TopStep X instead of Tradovate if you want to get into like these kind of charts. But these are the charts that a lot of people are having problems with, like trading on these charts on TopStep X. It's like nobody likes it because there's a lot of shutdowns that happen every now and then. But I don't know. I don't mind it because it hasn't really affected me that much. But TopStep X is a really good company, but I would just be wary of using them just because of how much is like going down with them, like, and how many times that shit has happened. Nice SMT. If we hold that, I'll probably take something off of this over here. I do really want to see that hold. That'll be really good confidence for me. But if we don't, then we're probably coming lower. Like, we're really dipping down right now. But if we can get that closure, that'd be fire. So that's a 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. That's a 1 minute inverse for value gap, or 1 minute bearish for value gap. So okay, cool. We get a reaction off of that. That's nice. Oh. Yep, really nothing we can do. We're just really just chopping around, man. Oh. So this SMT looks like it is holding. We do gotta confirm with this next candle though. But yeah, we're tapping into it. Looks like we're coming up. I really need to see it close above. And once we close above that high, I'm entering. That's good for me. Alright, let's see that 5 minute close. Bullish, wicked off. That's fire. Okay. Let's keep coming up. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming. So we already tapped into previous day highs. That's kind of why we probably are just like being weird about coming up, just because we are right near those highs. So our reaction out of it, but we also want to come up to over here too. But we're really high within the range, so I'm not sure. I really want to see us come up. I don't want to see us come down just because I want to get this entry over with already. But then again, we still gotta have patience. We just gotta be patient with the market and what it gives us, and react off of it when we see something, and don't when we don't. Alright, let's see. Dude, there's really nothing we can do right now. We're pretty much chopping up, but I just need to see that close, man. I really want to see it close above these highs. It looks like we're coming up, but we're just chopping, man. Push it. Go, 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 go. Let me do this real quick. Don't worry about what I got in here. That ain't nothing. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. What the hell? Hold on, bro. I gotta give bro a couple uppercuts, man. Better him what the fuck it us, 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 us. Damn, that shit is not working, bro. Us, oh shit. Us, 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 us. Bro, come on, bro. Wizard, pull it up. Pull it up. Us, 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 us. Oh shit, it's killing me. Us, us, us. Move it up. Apply pressure. Us, us. Alright, I guess you guys can see how bored I am. Which is exactly why the fuck, like, what the fuck am I doing right now, bro? Oh, it's working though. I ain't gonna lie, I was working. Oh, MNQ 26. I don't know. That's just the normal one I'm on, to be honest with you. It doesn't really say like anything crazy. Like when I click micro Nasdaq, it just takes me to MNQ 26. I mean, it's the same thing as yours. I mean, I think you have to buy. I think you have to buy TradingView maybe. But in my like MNQ futures, like there's only one. There's only one for that. So I'm not seeing anything crazy. Wow, bro. This is horrible, BA, bro. This sucks. Where's market open, bro? This is market open right here. Came up, came down, came up, and we came down. And now we're just chopping around. Yeah. I don't know about this market, bro. Let's do a look at the 15-minute real quick. Our daily kind of just... Yeah, this is a pretty big candle. We already had a lot of distribution. Honestly, if we don't close above this before 7:30, I'd probably just hop off. Just because there's no reason for me to be on an improbable chart. So, 7:30 will tell me what I need to know based on that 15-minute candle. So, we'll just wait for it to be a bullish sentiment candle. If it's not, then probably just hop off the charts. One swing high instead of two. Huh. I'm not sure what you mean by that, to be honest. One swing high instead of two. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean by that. We'd have to hop on call and see what's going on so I can help you. Because I need to actually, like, see what you're talking about. Because, like, I'm not sure what you mean by one swing high instead of two. Like these two, maybe? I'm thinking of trading view. This high. No, that high is definitely lower. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you're looking at, man. Charts are different sometimes, but I don't think too different. Oh, the daily highs are marked. These ones right here? Those daily highs were two swing highs? Yeah, these daily highs and this is the relevant swing. Are these like merged together with you? That would be nuts. I don't know how that would work. Oh yeah, yeah, this is crazy. No me gusta esto. Like, bro, what is this? This is horrible. This is so shitty. I almost want to hop off right now, bro. This is annoying. We ain't probably not gonna see nothing. I'm definitely de-risking now. I'm doing a 3-minute one, three micro 101. That's it. If I even see anything. Just because we're so choppy, it's like I get annoyed when we just get choppy. Just because I like having good price action to see an entry if I do, and then not if I don't. But when we're choppy, it's like we just gotta wait. You can only wait for so long before something can change. This is rough. Waking up early to see jack shit. I mean, it's part of the game, man. So, I'm just so tired, bro. I just want to go to bed. This doesn't look like it's going to be any probable conditions, so I might just hop off. But, still gonna wait 10 minutes for 7:30 cam. Because that 7:30 cam will be good. Oh. Nah, yeah, I kind of don't want to be in these markets. It's just too choppy, very unpredictable. So yeah, just gonna roll this as a no trade day, no play, no nothing. Y'all have a good rest of y'all mornings. I would say just don't take a trade today. There's nothing really that's sticking out to me too much. It just looks like we're super choppy off open. We're not making any significant moves. We're not doing anything significant. We're just staying within a range. So, yeah, probably just gonna hop off. I'm gonna hop off right now. Y'all